The leakage problem of spouted bag is an ongoing issue that has yet to be resolved, despite the availability of testing equipment and methods. While these technological advancements are important, there are other factors that contribute to the persistence of the problem. One such factor is the experience of the operators involved in the manufacturing process. In processes such as lamination, pouch making, and spout sealing, lack of experience can lead to oversight of potential issues and the inability to identify correct parameters for sealing temperature. Therefore, operator experience is crucial in ensuring the quality of the spouted bags. Additionally, the ratio of spouted bag that are lost during the manufacturing process is a significant concern. While a high frequency of sampling inspection can effectively control the leakage percentage, it also results in a high loss of pouches. This loss is often borne by the manufacturers, leading them to reduce the frequency of sampling inspection in order to preserve their profit margins. This irresponsible behavior contributes to the continuation of the leakage problem. Furthermore, the benefit space for spout pouch manufacturers is inherently low, and some customers seek to further reduce the supplier's profits. This pressure often forces manufacturers to resort to unorthodox measures, such as using second-hand materials and reducing the frequency of sampling inspection, in order to save costs and maintain their benefit space. In conclusion, the leakage problem of spouted bag persists due to a combination of factors, including operator experience, loss ratio, and pressure on benefit space. While testing equipment and methods are important, addressing these additional factors is necessary in order to effectively resolve the ongoing issue of leakage in spout bags.